Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories and Art Education. In this video I am providing explanation about the painters. Today we will talk about Pierre Bonnard. Pierre Bonnard, born on 3rd October 1867 in France, was a key figure in the post-impressionist movement. He grew up in a Bourgeois family. His father was a permanent official in the French Ministry of War. Despite his father's desire for him to pursue a law career, Bonnard's passion for art prevailed. He studied at the Lycée Louis Le Grand and later attended the University of Paris, where he earned a law degree. However, his true calling led him to enroll at the École des Beaux-Arts at the Académie Julian, where he met other future permanent artists like Edward Willard and Maurice Denis. In the late 1880s, Bonnard joined the Navy's an avant-garde group of young artists committed to creating art that transcended the naturalist tradition of the time, influenced by Paul Gauguin and Japanese prints. The Navy sought to incorporate symbolism and spiritual elements into their works. Bonnard, known for his keen sense of color and composition, quickly became a permanent member of the group. His work during his period was characterized by flat plans of color, decorative patterns, and a focus of domestic interiors. Bonnard's personal life significantly influenced his art. In 1893, he met Martha, who became his muse and lifelong partner. Their relationship was complex and marked by scarcity, and Martha had hidden her true identity and background from Bonnard for many years. Nevertheless, she appeared in numerous paintings, often depicted in intimate and everyday settings, reflecting Bonnard's fascination with the newness of domestic life. The couple's move to the countryside in 1912 marked a shift in Bonnard's work. The lush landscapes and changing season provided endless inspiration. His paintings from his period are celebrated for their vibrant color palettes and innovative composition. Bonnard's use of color was particularly revolutionary. The employed into merely to depict reality but to evoke emotion and mood. Bonnard's techniques was meticulous and layered. He often worked on multiple canvases, appealing with wishes of paint and gradually building up and surface. This approach allowed him to achieve a luminous quality in his work. which color that seemed to glow from within. His composition frequently featured innovational viewpoints and trapped perspective, drawing viewers into intimate scenes. Unlike many of his contemporaries who embraced the avant-garde movements of the early 20th century, Bonnet remained committed to his unique vision. He resisted the influence of Cubism and Surrealism, focusing instead on capturing the essence of his subjects through color and light. His work is often described as a blend of Impressionism and Post Impressionism with a distinctive personal touch. Pierre Bonnet's contribution to modern arts is profound. His innovative use of color and light, along with his ability to capture the beauty in everyday moments, has inspired countless artists despite his reluctance of allying himself with any particular movement. Bonnet's work has been celebrated for its timeless quality and emotional depth. Bonnet continued to paint until his death on 23rd January 1947. His later works, often characterized by a more abstract approach to color and form, demonstrate his relentless pursuit of artistic expression. Today, his paintings are held in major museums and collections worldwide, and his influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generation of artists. In conclusion, Pierre Bonnet's life and work reflect a deep commitment of exploring the possibilities of color and light. His ability to capture the intimate moment of everyday life with such vibrancy and emotion has secured his place as one of the most important artists of the 20th century. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.